Nourish bowls are all the rage, and today we're going to be making one with pasta. Adam.
Yes, we definitely are, Jazz. We're using the San Remo Pasta Pro. It's going to take around 12 minutes to cook, and all these wonderful, colourful vegetables, and I don't know how I feel about this. No, it's a great recipe. I love it. I do love it. It's good.
We like it.
Firstly, salt in the water, always.
Yep.
Pinch. In with our pasta. It's going to take 12 minutes, Just.
Okay, now what's so special about Pasta Pro?
Oh, it's full of fibre and a great source of protein.
Fantastic.
It's really good for you. Look, I squeeze this one in my kids' diet, every week. They don't know they're having a plate of pasta, but I squeeze this one in with some nice sauce. And I know they're getting that protein and fibre hit like that.
And is it a classic pasta or is there something different about it?
No, look, it's got the durum in there, obviously, durum wheat, but it has spelt in there. It also has barley, so it's getting all that fibre into your diet,
Yeah, very nice.
Now, Jazz, what I've done here, all right, is taking some sweet potato, just diced it up, hit it with some olive oil, salt and sumac, and into the oven, okay, at around 220 degrees for around 20 minutes, so it's nicely cooked. Yeah, it's got a bit resistant. Let it cool because our Nourish bowl is a cold dish, or you can have it semi-warm if you like.
Yeah, why not? Why not?
And for me, this dish in particular, we need to make a nice hummus, a nice zesty avocado hummus,
Okay, I can get onto that. So we've got some chickpeas.
Perfect.
And we've got some garlic always.
There's garlic.
But I'm just going to finely grate it into this bowl just so it's not chunky.
I like how you do that. Typically, I would have got the knife out and started, chopping it up, but that's a little cheats way there. I like it, Juz.
Works a treat. Lime zest, I see you have here for me.
Yeah, definitely need the lime, and then obviously tahini as well. And adding the avocado obviously is colour, but also giving you some good fats. It's a good sauce again. Then with this dish, broccoli, Juz. I'm just gonna, this bottom end, the stalk. People throw this away. This is fantastic. That is so much flavour and crunch. I love it. So just cutting that nice and thinly until I get to my flowerets there. They start separating.
Very nice.
Okay. Again, just thinking about bite size. Yeah. So everything I cook, I'm thinking about the customer or my wife or my kids who's going to eat it. So.
This has become so popular, I think, because you're not only getting all the nutrients you want, but it just makes eating interesting because there are so many different components. So every mouthful, like, ooh, a bit of cabbage, a bit of, hummus, a bit of beautiful protein pasta.
True, very true.
Yep.
All those flavours, all those wonderful colours and ingredients coming together works.
Absolutely. And the tahini.
Yeah, in it goes.
Now we've got some unhulled tahini here, so trying again to get as many of the nutrients in as possible. And some avocado, so not a traditional hummus, an Adam Swanson hummus.
Yeah, it's nice and zesty, full of flavour.
Gorgeous.
Lovely.
So about half, do you think?
Yeah.
Would be plenty. And I have added some salt to that. And would you like any oil or you don't need it for this?
So you add a splash now to start with to get it working, processing, and then you add a little bit more after as well.
All right, I'll get onto that.
Thank you. So whilst that's happening, Juz, broccoli into the pasta water, So we're cooking it in there. Flavour again. No need to get, another pot on.
No way. Actually, it's going to flavour that pasta too.
Yeah. Let's
blitz this. All right. Ooh, lovely and smooth.
Looks good, Juz.
Very nice.
Good work. All right, time to check our pasta and broccoli. Wow, look at that Pasta Pro.
Burn your tongue.
No, I have to. It's the only way. Nice and al dente. And remember, the pasta's going to keep on cooking now. Take straight out.
Yeah. I mean, look, we've got some hearty vegetables here. You've got the tomatoes, cabbage, you've got the edamame. They can sort of withstand a little bit of warmth. I actually like my salads to be at room temperature.
Oh, you're one of them, hey? Room temperature salad.
I think that the flavour really comes out of the tomatoes and everything. So I'm okay with you not chilling this
Okay,
today.
good to hear. So in with our pasta as our base with a little bit of broccoli in there also.
And a lot of these nourishing bowls, they would have the rice, so it's nice to have a change.
Nah, forget the rice. We've got pasta. Seriously, this is what we want.
Yep.
Done. Stack. So it's really, it's a little bit like artwork, I guess, Juz.
Were you good at that at school?
Oh, actually, I was good. Cartoons were my favourite.
Well, we will see.
Pressure's on. Okay, sweet potato. Again, there's no right or wrong way of placing it, but it's just stacking it.
Nourishing bowl, rainbow bowl, they all go along those names, don't they?
Fancy.
Fancy names.
Okay, some shredded cabbage.
Oh, you know that's good for you. Very nice.
I know. And tomatoes, so it wouldn't be pasta without some tomatoes.
Yep, little cherries.
Yep, nice and sweet.
Next.
Some beans. I like these guys.
Edamame.
Yes.
go.
Fantastic. A little bit of baby spinach as well. Filling it up, aren't we? It's a nice, big, healthy bowl.
Well, because it's so healthy, we can have more.
Definitely. We can have a couple plates or bowls. Okay, lime we need just to finish also. Now, dollop of the hummus, which is our dressing.
Now, where would you like this? Because you are the artist after all.
Smack bang in the middle.
Smack bang in the middle.
I couldn't have done better myself. Oh, go for it.
A little more. I love this hummus.
Nice. Now, I like to finish with a little bit of chili, a bit of warmth, some poppy seeds, and then your lime. For me, we're gonna all over the top like so.
And for those who love a bit of coriander,
Yeah.
just pop that on there too. Wow. Now that is one big bowl of goodness, Adam. Thank you.
Pleasure.